Great Life Worldwide's stem cell release factor product is at the forefront of innovative health solutions, offering a plethora of therapeutic and healing benefits that cater to a wide range of health and wellness needs. This cutting-edge supplement is designed to support the body's natural ability to release stem cells, which play a crucial role in repairing and regenerating tissues throughout the body. Regular use of the stem cell release factor can lead to significant improvements in overall health, enhancing vitality, and promoting a sense of well-being. The product's unique formulation is based on years of scientific research and is aimed at optimizing the body's regenerative potential. By encouraging the release of stem cells, it aids in the natural healing process, supporting recovery from physical exertion, reducing inflammation, and contributing to the maintenance of healthy organ function. Users have reported experiencing increased energy levels, improved mood, and a noticeable enhancement in their quality of life. Incorporating the stem cell release factor into your daily routine could be a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their health and wellness. Its benefits extend beyond mere symptom relief, offering a holistic approach to maintaining and improving health. Whether you're seeking to boost your immune system, accelerate recovery from injuries, or simply enhance your overall well-being, Great Life Worldwide's stem cell release factor product is a valuable ally in your health journey. To learn more about this amazing product and how it might benefit your health, please reach out to the person who shared this video with you and get your questions answered.